Hi everyone! By request of my subscribers, I'm making chicken shawarma or shawarma or shawarma. Today there's lots of pronunciations of this dish, so pick the one you like. It is very popular Middle Eastern dish which is also popular around the world. It is well-known street food consisting of minced meat, pita bread with variety of toppings. It is also great party food. So today I'm making shawarma in the wood-fired pizza oven. Keep in mind that you can also make the same recipe in the regular or convection oven. You can find a list of ingredients in the description of this video. Okay, let's cook. Step number 1. I'm using Ziploc bag to marinate chicken. Add yogurt, lemon juice, minced garlic, shawarma spices, cayenne pepper, salt, black pepper and oil into the Ziploc bag. Mix everything well along with the chicken inside. Remove excess air, seal the bag and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. You can marinate it for up to 24 hours if you have time. Step number 2. Slice tomato. Using shawarma stand, start skewing chicken and tomatoes on the stand. Remember to put a tray under it to catch the drip. As you can see, I forgot to do that. If you don't have shawarma stand, you can make one by cutting the onion in half and inserting a wooden skewer into it. Alternatively, if you're not using the stand, you can bake marinated chicken in the regular oven on the tray for about 1.5 hours at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now cover the chicken with a foil and send it to the oven. I'm using wireless thermometer made by Mirror. This way you don't need to worry about your cooking while entertaining your guests. My target temperature for the chicken is 170 degrees Fahrenheit. When chicken reaches 160 degrees, remove the foil so chicken can get nice and crispy on the outside. Step number 3. It is the final step. Thinly slice the chicken, add chicken to the pita bread along with the sauce and vegetables. I'm using tomatoes, marinated onions, zouk and tzatziki sauce. Your shawarma is ready. It looks and tastes amazing. It is one of my favorites as a party food. It also goes really well with potato wedges. You can find details on how to make it in the description of this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my future videos. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching and I will see you very soon.